So guys, for the first method, once you're on this screen, in the bottom right, you want to click on the power icon. You want to hold shift on your keyboard and then click on restart. Keep on holding shift. This is where the shift key is located. So I'm going to click on the power button, hold shift on your keyboard and then click on restart. Keep on holding shift as the computer is restarting. Keep holding shift, don't let go. Which will then take you into this screen. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then startup settings. Click on this right here, and then click on restart. You want to go into safe mode, so click on 4 or F4 on your keyboard. Click on 4 or F4. It's now going to take us into safe mode. It should then take you back into this screen. Try to sign in to your account on safe mode. See if that works. And now once you're back on this, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. Once we're here, you want to type in reg edit and then click on enter, and now this will come up. And now once we're here, you want to select HQ local machine, which will highlight it in blue. Now you want to click on file and then click on load hive. And now this will come up. You want to select this PC. You want to select your C drive and then open up the Windows folder. You want to open up System32, scroll down till we find System32, open this up. Open up config, scroll down till we find config, open this up. Scroll down until we find a file called SAM, double click on it. You can name this anything you want, just call this Windows for example, and then click on OK. Next, you want to expand HQ local machine. You should be seeing a folder with the name that you chose earlier. You want to expand that folder, then expand SAM, expand domains, expand account, expand users. You can make this bigger on your screen if you can't see properly. You want to find this folder 00001F4, double click on it, and you want to find the F, double click on the F, and now this will come up. And now once we're here, you want to find the number 11. It should be next to 00000038. So find this. You want to find the number 11. Change the number 11 to number 10. So type in the number 10 right here and then click on OK. Once you do all of this, we can close out of this. Close out of this as well. Then you want to continue to Windows. Wait for this to load. Once you get back to this screen, you should now be seeing a new account right here called Administrator. Click on it and then click on Sign In. You want to sign into the admin account. Just go through all these steps. I know it's annoying, but just go through all of this. I'm going to skip the video. And now once we're here on the admin account, you want to go to search and type in Edit Group Policy. Click on it. And now once we're here on the left hand side, under computer configuration, you want to expand Windows settings. And now you want to expand security settings. And now you want to expand account policies. And now you want to click on account lockout policy. On the right hand side, you want to find account lockout threshold, double click on it. You want to make this number 0 and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. We can now sign back into our other account, so right click on the Windows star icon, shut down or sign out, and then click on sign out. And you should now be able to sign into your main account, and then the problem should be fixed.